Hello, very good morning to all. So recently we have launched one Apex EduPortal. It's a teachers resource hub. It's only for the teachers. Teachers can log in to that portal and as per lesson plan, day-wise, whatever content is there, so they can access that content. They can open the PowerPoint. If it is smart TV or any interactive board or any other resource, projector room or anywhere, they can access these Apex EduPortal and they can open the PowerPoint and they can teach the lesson. So today we are going to have a small demo regarding the same. So first of all, open your Google Chrome browser. If you have net connection, so open your Google Chrome. So there in the Google Chrome, search for teach.apexedutech.in. In the name itself we have mentioned, it is only for teachers, teach.apexedutech.in. So you will be getting highlighted portion like this, teacher resource portal login. Click on that. So click on that. So this is the EduPortal. This is the portal. Here you can see demo accounts, teacher 1, 2, 3. So for demo purpose you can make use of them, but later we will disable these. So for every school separate login credentials will be provided. So through the WhatsApp group, you can request for the login credentials. So let me log in with the demo account. So teacher 1, 2, 3. Teacher 1, 2, 3. So immediately I'll get the dashboard like this. So welcome back Apex team. So here in this dashboard, here instructions we have given: browse structured educational content, prepare daily lessons and view teaching resources. So you need to browse here. So how to browse? Suppose you are a 1 to 5th grade teacher. So first you need to choose the program Junior Olympiad. Next, class. Which class resources you want? 3rd class. Next, subject mathematics. Next, chapter number sense. So next, if you want, you can select PowerPoint, videos and all, but right now we do have PowerPoints. Videos and all will be updated soon. So you can select PowerPoint, and if you check here, you can see here. So 3rd Olympiad Maths chapter 1 number sense, day 1, day 2, day 3, worksheet problems. Suppose if you are teaching concepts, then you can open the day 1 content, click on view button. So for loading it may take some time. Number sense lesson. Here in the corner we have this one, slideshow. Click on that slideshow. If you want, you can download or you can play the slideshow here. So this is day 1, number sense. So next, today's learning goals. On that day, what topics or what subtopics you are going to teach, complete details will be there. Next, so digits 0 to 9, the building blocks. Means a digit means it's any of the 10 symbols. Like that you will be having the PowerPoint. So like this, with the help of PowerPoint, you can explain the lesson. At the end, summary will come and one small quiz with 5 questions it will come. So you can teach by using this PowerPoint. Let me close this. Here you can have buttons, left, right. If you come to corner, 1 minute. If it is in slideshow mode, if you touch here, left slide, right slide, into will come. You can close the slideshow. You can close it and you can close this also. So not only mathematics. Suppose if you want science chapter 1, we do have science related PowerPoints. Suppose not science, reasoning, analogy. So reasoning worksheets also you can open. Or if you are dealing with aspirants program, champions program, scholars program for 6th to 9th classes, You can choose your program, you can choose your class, you can choose your subject, you can choose the chapter. The PowerPoints related to that chapter will come. That chapter will come. Suppose if I want to explain the worksheet, so directly I can go to the worksheet, I can open it. Directly I can go to the worksheet, I can open it. So worksheet will be having so many questions, so it may take some time. 1 minute. So slideshow. Click on slideshow, slideshow, start slideshow. So in your workbook or in your IIT Foundation Mathematics books, whatever questions we have mentioned, the PowerPoint related to the same problems, it will be there. So just you can open it on the projector or interactive board. One by one, if you want, you can explain here. One by one, if you want, you can explain here. So like this, your time will be saved. With the help of PowerPoint, if you teach the content, no need to write this question again on the blackboard. So in project room or smart TV, anywhere, if you have internet, you can directly open it and you can teach in the classroom. Suppose if you don't have internet, you can do one thing. In the main computer, in the office room, you can download the PowerPoint, you can copy it in a pen drive. So in the classroom, with the help of pen drive, you can teach. Or for the smart boards, you can attach a laptop. From laptop, you can access it. Or if you have mobile phone, if for the smart TV, screen casting is available, so then you can cast it onto the screen. So there are multiple ways. Based on your available resources, you can make use of this Teacher Portal Hub, Apex EduPortal Hub. So if you want login credentials, we do have a WhatsApp group for every school. So you can request for credentials. Through that group, we will be sharing the credential. So that all the teachers with that login ID and username, they can access the resources. And one more thing, this should not be shared to the students. So this is only for teachers purpose, teaching purpose. For students, we do have a mobile app. Once student data is received, we will add the students into concerned batches and we will intimate the same information to the school through the WhatsApp group. So every day, so technology is getting updated so that we can provide quality education to the children. So thank you, team. Have a good day. Please make use of these resources. Thank you.